So hello guys, so the topic today is about trigonometric identities. So this topic is under 2 trigonometry subject. So part 3 na to ng video natin. So before nyo panoorin itong part 3, dapat panoorin nyo muna yung part 1 and part 2. Kasi yung part 1 at part 2 is mga easy type pa lang yan. Then medium hanggang sa maging part 3 na difficult level na or average level hanggang sa maging part 4 na pang difficult level na mga hardcore identities na tayo. So hanggang part 4 lang itong video na gagawin ko para mas lalo nyo maintindihan. So panoorin nyo muna yung part 1, part 2 hanggang part 3 hanggang sa magpunta kayo sa part 3. Gets? So guys, let's start now for the first problem of the part 3. So hello guys, so here's the first problem for the trigonometric identities for part 3. So the problem is cosine negative x minus the sine of negative x is equals to cosine x plus the sine x. So first, tingnan nyo muna, yung eto and eto is naka-negative, diba? Nasa negative yung bali may negative sa loob. So halimbawa, yung cosine negative x is equals to cosine x and the secant of negative x is equal to secant x. Positive na yan guys ha. Positive yan. Kasi sa even and odd identities or negative relation, ang cosine and secant are still positive kahit naka-negative sila. Gets? And the rest, yung mga cotangent, tangent, sine, yun, mga cosecant are still negative na. Negative na sila kapag may negative na sa loob nila. Gets? So first, ano yung una natin gagawin is what? So this is equals to what? Cosine negative x is positive cosine x. Next, and then this is equals to what? Negative sine x and negative x. So first, multiply na sa loob is equals to what? Positive sine of x na siya. Then is equals to cosine x plus the sine x. So the answer is cosine x plus the sine x. So na-prove natin. Gets? So, the next problem is the cotangent of negative x cosine of negative x plus the sine of negative x is equals to negative cosecant x. So first, identify muna natin ang ano yung mga pwedeng i-negative dyan. Halimbawa, yung cosine negative x is equals to what? Cosine x. Positive na yan ha, positive. So and the sine of negative x is equals to negative sine of x. And then the cotangent of negative x is equals to negative cotangent of x. Gets? So next, ano yung next natin gagawin is ayusin na natin siya dito. Dalhin na natin yung mga yan. Gets? So first, the cotangent negative x is equals to negative cotangent x. And then the cosine x negative x equals to positive cosine x plus, so eto is minus na siya. So magiging minus na niyan siya. Minus sine of x. Gets? Or first natin gagawin yung negative cotangent x is ayusin natin siya into what? Yung cotangent x is equals to what? Cosine x over the sine of x, diba guys? So next, the cosine x copy minus the sine of x. Gets? Then may invisible, oops, nabura. May invisible 1 yan dito. May invisible 1. So eto is pagta-times natin siya dito and eto pagta-times. Gets? So eto muna is equals to cosine x times cosine x equals to cosine squared of x. And eto naman sa baba is what? Sine of x minus the sine of x. Gets? So next is anong gagawin natin sa susunod? So the cosine squared x over the sine x. So yung LCD niyan is what? Sine of x. Anong may invisible 1 yan dyan ha. LCD niyan is sine of x. Then sine of x divided sa sine of x equals to 1 times the cosine squared x is equals to cosine squared x. Gets? So balik cosine squared x. And next is cosine x divided sa 1, so sine x pa rin. And sine x times sine x equals to sine squared x. Then minus sa gitna. Minus the sine squared of x. Gets? So next natin gagawin yan is ayusin na natin siya. We all know naman na ang cosine squared x minus the sine squared x is equals to 1 ba yan? Siyempre hindi, dapat positive yung sa gitna. Positive dapat to, di ba? So ayusin natin siya into ganitong format. Gets? So first is the negative sine squared x. So lagyan na natin parenthesis yan, then minus the cosine squared of x. So bali dito magiging ano siya? Magiging ano guys? So magiging positive niyan yun dito guys. Gets? Bali ganito yung format niyan. Tanggalin na natin parenthesis para hindi kayo malito. So negative sine of x and positive cosine squared x over the sine of x. Inayos ko lang, pinagbaliktad ko lang yung pagkakaayos nila. Gets guys? So next is yung gagawin natin yan is what? Na yung negative sine squared x plus the cosine squared x is equals to 1 na yan. 1, then yung negative sign niya dito. Gets? Over the sine of x. Sine of x is equals to negative cosecant x. Reciprocal identities niyan is negative cosecant x equals to negative cosecant of x. Yan siya guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the cosecant of x and the cosecant of x plus the sine of negative x is equals to cotangent squared x. First, ayusin muna natin may mga negative ito. So, cosecant of x and cosecant of x minus the sine of x sa negative relation or even and odd identities is equals to negative sine x yan. Gets? And is equals to cotangent squared x. So first is yung cosecant of x, ayusin na natin siya. Then if i-distribute natin yung cosecant of x isa-isa. So ganito nyan guys. Cosecant squared x minus the sine of x and cosecant of x. Gets? So next is cosecant squared of x is equals to what? 1 over sine squared x minus the sine of x. Copy. And the identities of this reciprocal is 1 over sine of x. Gets? The next is pagta-times natin nasa taas niyan guys. So, yung eto, pagta-times natin sila. So, sine of x times sa sine, times 1 is equals to what? Sine of x, diba? So, dito guys, 1 over sine squared of x minus the sine of x over the sine of x. Gets? Then, ito is equals to what? 1 na lang yan. Kasi sine of x over sine of x equals to 1. Then, 1 sine squared x minus 1. Then, may invisible 1 yan dyan. Then, the next is find the LCD. Sine squared of x. Sine squared of x divide this is equals to 1. And times 1 is equals to 1. 1 and divide mo, then sine squared x times sa 1 is equals to sine squared x, then minus yung sa gitna, minus sine squared of x. Gets? So 1 minus sine squared of x equals to what? Cosecant squared of x. Cosine squared of x, sorry. So cosine squared of x yun, and over what? Sine squared of x. And eto is equals sa cosine squared of x. Bakit? Kasi sine squared x plus the cosine squared x is equals to 1. And this sine squared x is transpose mo is equals to cosine squared x is equals to what? 1 minus sine squared of x. Kaya yung sagot is cosine squared of x. Eto. Gets? Ano guys? Gets? In-equate ko lang siya dito. Then lumabas is sine squared x. And nilagay ko siya dito. Gets? Next is the cosine squared of x over the sine squared of x is equals to what? Cotangent squared of x is equals to cotangent squared of x. Ito yan guys. Then na-prove natin na tama siya. Okay guys, gets? So guys, so the next problem is the cotangent of x minus the sine of x times to the quantity of cosine x plus 1 is equals to negative sine of x. First, ano yung first natin gagawin is what? For FOIL method natin. FOIL method. To, tas ito, then ito, then ito. FOIL method guys. Gets first, ito. Cotangent of x and cosine of x. And dito naman tayo is times nyo cotangent of x times 1 is equals to cotangent of x. Then ito, times nyo minus cosecant of x and cosine of x. Cosecant of x and cosine of x. Then ito is negative cosecant of x. Gets guys? So next is ito and ito, pati to is equate natin to their identities though. So again, cotangent of x equals to cosine of x over the sine of x. Cosine of x copy plus the cosine of x over the sine of x minus the, eto ano to siya guys, cosecant of x. So minus 1 over sine of x and cosine of x minus 1 over sine of x. Gets? Then next ayusin natin sila sa iisang fraction na lang yan. So cosine squared of x times nito, and may invisible 1 siya dito, di ba guys? May invisible 1, tas ito yung pag times nyo, tas ito yung pag times nyo. Gets? Over sine of x times 1 is sine of x plus eto guys, same yung denominator nila, so cosine of x na lang yan minus 1 over copy the denominator sine of x. Yung cosine of x galing siya dito, cosine of x minus 1. Gets? Next natin yan guys, tingnan nyo guys, dahil cosine of x minus 1 over sine of x siya, diba? Then eto is equals to what? Pag times nyo muna siya guys, di natin napansin, pero pag times nyo yan is equals to cosine of x. Bali yung 1 dito is mapapalitan ng cosine of x. Gets guys? So bali ganito yung nangyari guys, etong buong ito is cosine of x over the sine of x minus 1 and sine of x, cosine of x. So eto muna, cosine of x minus the sine of x minus cosine of x over the sine of x niyan. Gets guys? Ito yan guys ha. Then kapag ito minus na natin, ito yung kalalabasan niya guys. Gets? Okay, next. Next, the cosine of x minus the, dito na niyan tayo guys, minus the sine of x minus 1 over the sine of x. Gets? So next is cosine of x minus the cosine of x is equals to what? Bali 0 na niyan to, di ba? Maka-cancel na niyan sila. Cancel. Kung yan na-cancel na, ibig sabihin 0 over sine of x na lang yan, di ba guys? So bali wala na to. Tanggalin na natin. Next, proceed tayo niyan dito guys. Hatiin na natin to. So game. Yung natira is cosine squared of x over the sine of x plus, bali minus niyan siya, minus, ito yan. Kasi negative times positive is negative. So minus 1 over sine of x. Then dahil same sila ng denominator, yung sa taas lang yung pagmaminus natin. Bakit minus? Kasi minus yun. Gets? The cosine squared of x minus 1 over copy the denominator. Gets? So the cosine squared x is equals to what? Is equals to cosine squared x minus 1 is equals to sine squared x ba? Hindi guys, kasi ganito yan guys. So the sine, wait, palitan natin kulay para hindi tayo malito. So the sine squared x plus the cosine squared x is equals to 1. Then transpose natin yan to. Ito, dito, yung cosine squared x. Gets? Pag transpose natin yan, magiging sine squared x is equals to 1 minus cosine squared x. Gets? Yung 1 minus cosine squared x ba is same lang ba siya dito? Eto, tsaka eto, same lang ba? Hindi, di ba guys? Kasi yung 1 natin is positive pero dito is negative. And then yung cosine squared x natin dito is negative and dito is positive. Gets? So hindi sila same. So ganito yung gagawin natin. ganito yung gagawin natin yan guys. Yung negative natin, ilalabas lang natin. Negative 1. So, bali negative lalabas natin, negative minus the cosine squared of x over the sine of x. Paano nangyari yan guys? Kasi ganito. Pag itong negative dinistribute natin sa each dito, is kalalabasan niya ito. Gets guys? So, the cosine squared, so negative times 1 is equals to negative. Ito yun. Then, the negative times negative cosine squared x equals to positive cosine squared x. Yun. Gets? Next. So, minus the sine 1 minus cosine squared x, ito, is equals to sine squared x. So, sine squared of x over the sine of x. Next, cancel this. Cancel. Mayroon pa natirang sine of x dyan, di ba? Negative sine of x. So, the answer is negative sine of x is equals to negative sine of x. So, na-prove natin guys. Ano guys? Gets? So, the next problem is the tangent of x plus the cotangent of x multiplied to sine of x and cosine of x dapat is equals to. So, the next problem is the tangent of x plus the cotangent of x multiplied to sine of x and cosine of x. So, first, yung natin gagawin is, etong buong ito is distribute natin siya dito. Gets? So, sine of x and cosine of x multiplies tangent of x is sine of x, cosine of x times sa tangent of x. Plus, ito yung plus. Then, ito, distribute natin siya dyan is times nyan siya, cotangent of x, sine of x, and cosine of x. Gets? So, the sine of x copy, then the cosine of x copy, and the tangent of x equals to sine of x over the cosine of x plus the cosine of x over the sine of x, sine of x and cosine of x. Ito lang yung pinrove natin and ito copy. Gets? Next is the sine of x times to the sine x times to the cosine of x and sine of x. So, ito yan guys. So, first may invisible one yan dyan, di ba? Then, eto, pag-multiply lang natin lahat. So, yung sagot dyan, sine of x, dahil sine squared of x, and cosine of x over cosine of x. Pinag-multiply ko sa taas, pati yung sa baba. Gets? And plus over, eto guys. Then, may invisible one yan dyan, di ba? Gets? So, bali may invisible one yan dyan. So, cosine squared of x and sine of x over the sine of x. Gets? So, next, anong gagawin natin next nyan? Hanapin natin yung what? So, bali, dahil nakita na natin yung sine squared of x and cosine of x over the cosine of x plus the cosine squared x and sine of x over the sine of x. Next natin gawin yan guys. Kung mapapansin nyo guys, ano sila, di ba? Ang tawag dito, yung like magkakasame sila na pwede natin, na meron tayo pwedeng i-cancel. So, kung i-cancel natin yan guys, so dapat ganito yan siya. So hindi dito yan makakancel yan siya guys. So, cancel to, cancel. Pati to, cancel. So, yung natira is cosine squared x and the sine squared of x. So, the sine is equals to sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equals to 1. So, the sine squared x plus the cosine squared x, ito yung plus. Yung plus is equals to what? Then, dito. Equals to 1 is equals to 1. So, na-prove natin siya dito, guys. Gets? So, the next problem is the 2 cosine squared of x minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared of x. Kung mapapansin nyo, guys, meron siyang cosine squared of x dito, di ba? So, the sine squared of x plus the cosine squared of x is equals to 1. Yung cosine of squared of x equals to 1 minus 2. 1 minus sine squared of x, diba guys? So, dahil cosine squared of x to, palitan natin ng 1 minus sine squared of x. So, game. 2 and 1 minus the sine squared of x. Gets guys? So, 1 minus sine squared of x and minus 1. Ito yun. Dapat mapalabas natin to. Gets? So, distribute the 2. So, 2 minus 2 sine squared of x minus 1. So, the 2 minus 1 is equals to what? 1, diba? 2 minus 1 is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared of x is equals to 1 minus 2 sine squared of x. So, eto yan guys. So, na-prove natin. Gets? So, that's all guys for the part 3 of the trigonometric identities. So, and that's all guys. Thank you for your support and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye.